Welcome to ID News.
Today headlines. 3 infiltrators killed near LOC, says Army. Monsoon arrives in Kerala, serves cyclone to hit Maharashtra and Gujarat. Delhi borders to be sealed for a week due to rising coronavirus cases, said Kejriwal. George Floyd death. Donald Trump took shelter in White House bunker as protests raged, say reports. India awaiting response as Nepal tables bill on new map. Today news. The army on Monday claimed to have killed 3 infiltrators near the line of control, LOC, in Rajouri's Nowshera sector in an ongoing counter-infiltration operation since the 28th of May. Alert troops of the Indian Army eliminated an infiltration bid along the LOC in Nowshera sector. 3 heavily armed Pakistan-trained terrorists have been killed. The monsoon has arrived in Kerala, the IMD said on Monday. Further away, from the west coast, a cyclone was brewing in the Arabian Sea and likely to hit North Maharashtra as well as the Gujarat coast by the 3rd of June. The agency's latest cyclone update expects it to balloon into a severe cyclone by the middle of the week. While unclear so far, the presence of the cyclone could delay the progress of the monsoon and put it into a hiatus. Madhavan Rajivan, Secretary, Ministry of Earth Sciences, said at a press conference. Delhi's borders will be sealed in view of rising coronavirus cases in the city. Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal announced here on Monday the decision to continue with these restrictions, however, would depend on suggestions from citizens. He added the capital's health infrastructure, he said, was adequate to deal with the pandemic as far as its citizens were concerned. But the same system could not be expected to cope with COVID-19 cases from beyond its borders. The underground bunker inside the White House was designed for use in emergencies such as terrorist attacks. United States President Donald Trump was taken to a secure underground bunker at the White House on Friday as protests over the death of George Floyd, an African-American man, intensified, the New York Times reported on Monday. An unidentified law enforcement official told CNN that First Lady Melania Trump and their son Barron were also taken to the bunker. India began weighing various options to send strong messages to Nepal as its Minister for Law, Justice and Parliamentary Affairs Shivamaya Tumbahang on Sunday presented the Constitution Amendment Bill, Second Amendment, in Parliament to update the political map of the country that includes Indian territories. Nepal's parliament is likely to adopt the bill even as hectic diplomatic moves are underway. India believes that Nepal is ignoring the fact that the area of Lipulekh, which Nepal is claiming as its territory, has been a border trading point between India and China based on pacts since 1991.
Thanks for watching. Like, share, comment, subscribe to Inverse Dark and activate bell icon.